heavy weights or light weights to stimulate more muscle growth? The answer is both, because any rep range will stimulate hypertrophy when it approaches failure. So you could accomplish the same thing if you did 3 sets of 10 or if you did 10 sets of 3, assuming that each one of the sets ended in proximity to failure. You could do the same thing with 20 plus reps, but at some point it's not a really effective use of your time where you're doing 50 some reps to approach failure. That's usually a good sign that you need to be increasing the weight, but that doesn't mean that you have to be using super heavy weights all the time. You can alternate between using light weights and approaching higher thresholds or even body weight movements where you're in the higher rep ranges, or using really heavy weights and being in the lower rep ranges. Just make sure that you have the appropriate intensity. Intensity is always key, and by intensity, I mean how close you are to failure.